Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a simple present tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure you do. I linked it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. She dashed her hands before eating. The correct option is washes. She washes her hands before eating. Question 2. David dashed a book before going to bed. The correct option is reads. David reads a book before going to bed. Question 3. My sister dash a shower every evening. The correct option is takes. My sister takes a shower every evening. Question 4. He dashed off the light before sleeping. The correct option is turns. He turns off the light before sleeping. Question 5. The cat dashed on the window sill. The correct option is sits. The cat sits on the window sill. Question 6. He dashed cartoons after lunch. The correct option is watches. He watches cartoons after lunch. Question 7. The students dash questions in class. The correct option is often ask. The students often ask questions in class. Question 8. Adam dash at the library every evening. The correct option is usually studies. Adam usually studies at the library every evening. Question 9. Alice dash her fingernails when she is nervous. The correct option is bites. Alice bites her fingernails when she is nervous. Question 10. Sadden dash a check at the bank once a week. The correct option is cashes. Sadden cashes a check at the bank once a week. Question 11. Sarah dash about her grades. The correct option is never worries. Sarah never worries about her grades. Question 12. She dash hard. The correct option is studies. She studies hard. Question 13. Miss Joe and Mr. Andrew dash at the local high school. The correct option is teach. Miss Joe and Mr. Andrew teach at the local high school. Question 14. Miss Maha dash math. The correct option is teaches. Miss Maha teaches math. Question 15. Birds dash in the sky. The correct option is fly. Birds fly in the sky. Question 16. They dash wings. The correct option is have. They have wings. Question 17. A bird dash in the sky. The correct option is flies. A bird flies in the sky. Question 18. It dash wings. The correct option is has. It has wings. Question 19. David dash his homework. The correct option is always does. David always does his homework. Question 20. He dashed to bed until his homework is finished. The correct option is never goes. He never goes to bed until his homework is finished. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.